If you're thinking about buying crypto using Coinbase, there are a few things you need to know before diving in. Coinbase is one of the most popular platforms for buying and selling digital currencies, but how does it stack up against competitors like Binance or Kraken? Let's break down the key points you should consider before making your first purchase. The first thing to note is Coinbase's user-friendly interface. It's designed for beginners, which makes it much easier to navigate than other platforms. If you're new to crypto, you'll appreciate the simple design, making it easy to buy and sell your first coin. But this simplicity comes at a cost: fees. Next thing, Coinbase is known for higher fees compared to other exchanges. For example, buying and selling crypto on Coinbase can cost between 1.49% and 3.99% in fees, depending on your method of payment. Competitors like Binance and Kraken offer much lower fees, so if you're a more experienced trader or plan to make larger trades, you might want to shop around. The third thing is Coinbase's security features. Coinbase is known for being one of the most secure platforms out there. Your crypto is insured up to a certain amount, and the platform uses industry-leading security practices to protect your assets. However, no platform is entirely risk-free, and the recent surge in hacks means you should always use extra security measures like two-factor authentication. The fourth thing is its mobile app. Coinbase's mobile app is available for both iOS and Android, and it mirrors the features available on the desktop version. It allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto on the go, and its intuitive interface makes it easy to manage your portfolio. Still, it can feel a bit slow at times, especially during high traffic periods. Next, let's talk about the variety of cryptocurrencies available. Coinbase supports over 50 different cryptocurrencies, which is decent, but not as much as some competitors like Binance, which offers hundreds of coins. So, if you're looking for a platform with an extensive variety of altcoins, you might want to look elsewhere. Now, let's touch on the educational resources. Coinbase offers a robust learning platform called Coinbase Learn, which is great if you're a beginner. You can learn about different cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and how trading works. However, it's worth noting that more advanced traders might not find the resources as useful as those offered by platforms like Kraken. The next point is the availability of advanced trading tools. Coinbase offers a feature called Coinbase Pro, which gives you access to more sophisticated tools like charting, market orders, and lower fees. But Coinbase Pro can be overwhelming for beginners, so if you're just starting, you might find it too complex. Moving on, Coinbase's withdrawal process can take longer than expected. Withdrawals to your bank account can take up to 5 business days, which is quite a bit longer than competitors like Kraken, which offers faster transfers. So, if you're looking for instant access to your funds, Coinbase might not be the best choice. Next up, customer service. While Coinbase provides 24/7 support through chat and email, many users report delays when reaching out. Compared to platforms like Kraken, which has a solid reputation for customer service, Coinbase has some room for improvement in this area. Another thing is Coinbase's mobile payment options. It supports payments via bank account, debit card, and PayPal, making it convenient for many users. However, debit card payments come with higher fees, and it's not as flexible as other platforms in terms of payment methods. Next, Coinbase has a staking feature that allows users to earn rewards for holding certain cryptocurrencies. While it's a nice perk, the interest rates are generally lower than those offered by platforms like Kraken or Binance. But if you're just holding crypto for the long term and don't mind the lower returns, it's still a decent option. The last thing you should know is about the overall reputation. Coinbase is one of the most trusted platforms in the crypto world, and it's regulated in the US, which adds an extra layer of security. However, it's been criticized for its lack of transparency in the past, particularly regarding its pricing structure. So, while it's a solid platform, be sure to double-check everything before making a transaction. In conclusion,